In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Telegram support. So this is actually quite easy, but there's only one way you can do it. Now, what you have to do is go to Google, type in Telegram support, and then go to this website, which is telegram.org, and then support. So click on it. And in here, it gives you an option to write to their support. So as you can see, you have to describe your problem and then type in your full legal name, your email, and then your phone number. Okay, so that's the easiest way to contact and chat with their support online, because they will then get back to you via email, and then you can go back and forth via essentially email, and you can chat with them that way. So once you've done all this, typed all this in, and what you want to say, that you have to be over here, you have to be very specific. So put in the exact problem, tell them what you need, be very specific. Now over here, of course, you have to put in all the other info and press submit. You can also try contacting them on Twitter. So if you click Twitter up here, top right, as you can see, it will take you inside X or Twitter, and then in here you can essentially try messaging them and tagging them. However, you have a much better chance of them coming back to you if you actually use their support feature. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.